Juliet? Can you hear me, Juliet?
Morikawa-sensei! You're alive?
Can you hear me, Juliet? My prize student. It is impossible to rest in peace with all this going on.
Sensei, are you alive?
He just said rest in peace, Juliet.
Maybe he's trying to take a nap, Nick.
His voice is all ghosty and creepy and weird. It's a sure sign he's dead.
Yes, dear. I am contacting you from the land beyond words. I'll guide you the best I can, but the reception here is terrible, so listen carefully.
Yes, Sensei.
Yes, Sensei.
Really, Nick? The fate of our whole town is in the balance and you're gonna take the time to mock me? I just heard you. You're right
It was the
there.
wind or something.
Please, both of you. Juliet, you must first get close to Kirabiri. But be careful. He is, shall we say, cranky.
Juliet, watch out! I think you can use the cars to make a path.
Gonna be fine, ma'am. You did it! You won!
Really, Nick? The fate of our whole town is in the balance and you're gonna take the time to mock me?
Juliet and Nick, it's me again. See that path over there? Follow it to that bastard, Killer Billy.
I would like a special combo number 5 without trying exercise in your head.
We go out!
So they never taught you how to fight one of these killabilly things?
Zombies, vampires, Sasquatches.
You killed a Sasquatch?
Sure, tons. Sasquatches are dicks, but this kind
Oh, good. Zombies that shoot laser beams out of their eyes. Yeah, I felt like something was missing. What else have you killed?
Leprechauns. I killed a whole tribe of Frankenberries once.
Frankenberry from like the cereal?
Ugh, that is total propaganda to get you to trust them. So delicious. I don't know if I haven't gotten this far in my training. Go!
There's gotta be a way. We have to think. Oh, this dude has tried to grab me more than Father O'Malley. This isn't possible. He's too strong. Oh, this dude has tried to grab me more than Father O'Malley. Oh, this dude has tried to grab me more than Father O'Malley. Shoot his damn eyes out! too strong! I'll be so happy when you kill this guy! Do it, now! Jump on his body!
Did you see the way that dude's head back there splattered all over everything? If I had put you in a mailbox, you would have missed that. It was pretty cool.
Juliet, can you hear me? Listen carefully as our connection is tenuous. You must do as I say.
Okay.
You're making good progress. A path will open for you if you move ahead, through his mouth and into his body.
Well, I'm pretty good at keeping guys out of my body. Never tried getting inside of someone else's.
Juliet, now! Before the hole closes!
But my daddy! No!
You must go into Killer Billy's body before the hole your father created closes! His weakness is inside his body!
I can't!
Juliet, listen to me! You have to go now! Your dad did what he did because he trusted you. Show him he was right to believe in you.
Okay, Nick. Let's get this over with.
next. Something very frightening. Something demonic is in the air. Good. Not. Be careful. Juliet!
Oh my god, Dad. I really hope this was worth it. Oh my god, the stench.
Juliet, are you there?
Sensei?
That's his core. Listen carefully. This is your final lesson. Killabilly is a mountain of tainted flesh, held together by evil spirits. You have to send a signal from its core, commanding it to self-destruct. Once the body is destroyed, all of the captured souls will be sent back to Rotten World. Take control of his core and make him destroy himself.
How?
By detonating a Nick bomb.
A what?
Like you have throughout this battle, you must connect Nick's head to Swan's body.
But what will happen to Nick?
I am so sorry, as Nick would die. But perhaps...
Sensei? I can't hear you!
You were right all along, Juliet. There's a reason I'm here. There's a plan greater than all of us. But it's time to say goodbye. Put me there and make the bomb.
What?
You need to put me on Swan's body. It's the only way to stop him.
Nick, no! He said you'll die!
Juliet, it's okay. I feel strong for the first time in my life. I feel lucky to have been on this journey with you and your family. I feel like a zombie hunter.
I can't, Nick. I don't want to be without you.
I know, baby. But sometimes there are more important things than what we want in life.
Nick.
I love you too, baby. More than anything.
Nick! Yes, son. Because of your honor and sacrifice, the mad feast has come to an end. You have truly been a hero. The glorious ones have chosen to bless you with a reward. But unfortunately, in the shuffling of this death and that death, this body and that, there was a small mix-up.
A mix-up?
I will be watching you from above, so please, in my memory, have Juliet do plenty of cartwheels while wearing those little white panties with the teddy bear.
Juliet?
Nick!
Juliet! The mix-up. I've got Morikawa's body. Well, what the hell, I guess.
Hey, face suckers! Up here! Daddy, you're okay!
Yep. Think I lost a testy in the blast, but what the hell? You only need one.
Looking great, sir.
We best hurry. Your mama's gonna be worried.
Daddy, don't you think you should go to the hospital?
Not necessary. I used a staple gun up there to put the old stroke back together again. I'm a new man.
That's completely horrifying. You know what? This has really been the best birthday ever. Mom, I'm home.
Mama, your lover boy is back.
Everyone, where were you? You were supposed to be home hours ago.
Mom, I have someone I want you to meet.
Mrs. Starling, hi, I'm Nick.
Oh, you're Juliet's friend.
Mom, what's wrong?
Juliet?
Come on in, everyone. Time for dinner.
Holy mother! Oh!
And by dinner, I mean you. Will you kids just hold on 2 seconds? I'm trying to get Juliet's birthday cake ready. Happy birthday.
Oh, Mom.
Oh, Juliet, I almost forgot.